Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled AI Ethics and Responsible AI. Building AI that does good, the important rules and guidelines for creating fair, safe, and transparent AI. Imagine you're building a new tool. Something that can learn and make decisions, like a super smart assistant. That's AI. But with great power comes great responsibility. Just like a builder needs to follow rules to make a safe house, we, as developers, need guidelines to ensure our AI is fair, safe, and helpful, not harmful. This lesson is about those important rules for creating responsible AI from the ground up. Think of AI learning from data like a chef learning to cook from a recipe book. If the recipe book only has recipes from one culture, the chef might struggle to cook for another. Similarly, if the data we feed our AI is biased, e.g., more pictures of one gender for a specific job, the AI can become biased too, leading to unfair outcomes. As developers, we need to carefully check our data for biases and design algorithms that actively try to be fair to everyone, ensuring our AI doesn't accidentally discriminate. Have you ever used a tool and wondered, how did it do that? For many AIs, especially complex ones, it can feel like a black box. You put something in, get something out, but don't know why. For critical applications, like medical diagnosis or loan approvals, we need to understand why the AI made a certain decision. As developers, we aim to build AI systems that can explain their reasoning, even if simply, so users can trust them and we can fix them if they make mistakes. Imagine building a self-driving car. You wouldn't want it to suddenly stop working in traffic or get confused by a simple road sign, right? That's what safety and robustness are about in AI. We need our AI systems to be reliable, predictable, and able to handle unexpected situations without failing or causing harm. This means rigorous testing, designing for errors, and making sure our AI isn't easily fooled or manipulated, just like we build bridges to withstand storms. Our AI often deals with personal information, your photos, preferences, health data, etc. Protecting this data is paramount. Think of it like a secure bank vault for information. As developers, we must design AI systems that collect only the necessary data, store it securely, and use it responsibly. This includes anonymizing data where possible, encrypting sensitive information, and following strict privacy regulations like GDPR, ensuring users' trust isn't broken. If an AI system makes a mistake, say, a recommendation system accidentally causes financial loss, who is held responsible? Is it the developer, the company, or the AI itself? This is where accountability comes in. We need clear guidelines and frameworks, governance, to assign responsibility. As developers, documenting our design choices, data sources, and testing procedures helps ensure traceability and accountability, allowing us to learn from errors and improve. AI is a powerful tool, but it should remain a tool that augments human capabilities, not replaces human judgment entirely, especially in critical situations. Think of an autopilot on a plane. It's incredibly helpful, but a human pilot is always there to take control. As developers, we should design AI systems with clear off switches, opportunities for human review, and mechanisms for humans to intervene and override AI decisions, ensuring human values remain central. You, as a developer, are at the forefront of shaping the future with AI. By understanding and applying these ethical principles, fairness, transparency, safety, privacy, accountability, and human oversight, you become not just a coder, but a responsible innovator. Let's commit to building AI that enriches lives, solves real-world problems equitably, and earns the trust of society. Your choices matter. Let's build AI that truly does good. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.